Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to show you how I made this really beautiful gold wall mirror using items that I purchased mostly from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. For this project, I used one of the Dollar Tree 11x14 mirrors, one of their 11x14 picture frames, some of the Tower Game wood pieces, some craft sticks, some of their Gold Thumb Tacks. I purchased some of these 1-inch mirrors from Michael's. They were $1.99 for each pack. I used my Gold Rust-Oleum spray paint, several glues, including some of the Fix All Adhesive, my glue gun, and glue sticks. I have a complete list of what I used down in the description box. So the first thing I did was remove the contents from my 11x14 picture frame, and then I added a layer of the Fix All Adhesive to the side of that frame. Then you'll see me adding the wood blocks to each side. I laid the wood blocks just slightly over the edge of the frame just to keep everything aligned. Here you see me using the Crafter square glue. You can use wood glue instead. I just used what I had on hand, and you'll see me alternate between several different glues, but technically only the wood glue was needed outside of the Fix All Adhesive. You'll see for the second row that I laid down one of the blocks on its side, and then the next block flat, and then another on its side, and I alternated and continued this same pattern for the second row of my frame. For the third and fourth row, you'll see I added the pieces similar to the very first row that I added to the frame. I then added a second layer of the wood pieces. Here you'll see me add some of the Fix All Adhesive and some of the wood glue. And then I just place a wood piece right on top in the opposite direction. It'll fit in between every other wood block on its side on the second row. This step is pretty hard to explain, so I think I could probably show you better than I can tell you. I eventually realized that it made more sense to add glue to several of the wood pieces and then lay them down. So you'll see me do that here. This definitely was a time saver. I repeated those same steps for the 11-inch side of my picture frame using the Fix All Adhesive and my Crafter square glue to attach 6 of the wood pieces to this side of the picture frame. I'm sure I'll be asked why am I using a strong adhesive just for that first row. Well, I did want to make sure that I had a strong enough glue to keep the wood pieces attached to that plastic frame. Not sure if that helped, but you know I've got trust issues with glue, so I rather use more glue than what's needed rather than less. You'll see here that I followed a slightly different pattern to close out each of the corners. I then flipped my design over and used my hot glue to attach the craft sticks to the back of my design. Adding the craft sticks, especially where the plastic frame and the wood pieces meet, will make my design much more sturdy. I then took my design out to a well-ventilated area and gave it a good coat of my spray paint. I also used some gold glitter spray that I purchased from Home Depot as well. It did not show up as I had hoped, so this is an optional step, but I did want to let you know that I used that for this project. Once that was dry, I brought my design back in, and then I started adding my thumbtacks. It didn't take very long before my thumbs were super sore from pushing in the thumbtacks. So I decided to, instead of pushing them all the way in, push them about halfway in and then use a hammer to push them the rest of the way in. To add a little extra glam, I decided to add the 1-inch mirrors to my design as well. Because I am adding quite a bit of weight to my frame, I decided to reinforce my hanging hooks. I did this by simply adding a couple of pieces of duct tape to the hanging hooks to reinforce them and to help hold them in place. I then removed my 11 by 14 inch mirror from its plastic frame and used my hot glue to attach it to the cardboard of my picture frame. To complete the project, I returned the cardboard with the mirror back to its frame, cleaned my small mirrors, and here was my finished look. This mirror turned out really pretty, and even though my thumbs are still giving me the silent treatment for the torture that I went through with those thumb tacks, I am very happy with how it turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.